Welcome to our insights on sourcing metal components. Today's procurement environment requires a dual focus on manufacturing and logistics. Buyers must now pay close attention not only to a supplier's manufacturing capability, but also to the dynamics of freight and logistics. Key trends from modern casting and freight analysis highlight the need to consider technology investment and logistics reliability in your sourcing strategy. Design decisions drive cost. Engage foundries early to optimize part geometry, which can significantly reduce machining time, scrap rates, and overall component cost. Freight conditions are a key factor. Trucking capacity and pricing continue to fluctuate, making freight strategy a major determinant of total landed cost for heavy, time-sensitive metal components. The clear takeaway for procurement is that successful sourcing depends on suppliers who master both manufacturing efficiency and freight realities, prioritizing reliability over the lowest price.